Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Gio and I'm a freshly graduated doctor, and I have been studying my medical ears in Ireland and then Malaysia. So if you are interested in my journey and what it's like being a medical student, make sure you check out all my videos and stay up to date with my videos by subscribing to my channel and turning on that notification. And for returning subscribers, welcome back! I'm sure by the heading you guys know what this video is going to be about, and I'm so excited. I'm really excited to make this video because I've never done a vision board. So recently I've been on YouTube and I come across so many videos on making vision boards and like manifestation and like different things like that. So I just came across that and I thought, okay, well, this is actually a really good idea, especially since 2020 has not been a good month for many of us. I know the times are still uncertain right now. It's good to start this year off with a positive mindset, and in order to do this, we need to feel positive and we need to think positive, and that's exactly how we should start this year off. So I thought, okay, I've never done a vision board before. So I was like, okay, let me do a vision board. So I'm so excited. I've never done a vision board and I'm not artistic at all. So I don't even know how it's gonna turn out. I'm really nervous for how it's gonna turn out, but I really want to do this vision board. So guys, let's start off first of all, what exactly is a vision board? So I'm just gonna put up a picture here of what a vision board looks like. That's not the vision board I've made. You're gonna make the vision board with me, but that's just an example of what actually a vision board is. So a vision board is a collage of pictures, words that represent your goals for that year, which will help you maintain and try to achieve these goals by the end of that year, because smaller steps are always better than large steps. How I would explain this is, so say you wanna become a doctor. Let me just give you an example. And you're still in your 12th year, you're just about to finish high school. So you can't manifest, I'm gonna be a doctor. You first have to manifest that you are gonna pass your exams, and then you're gonna graduate from high school, and then you apply for medicine, and then you become a doctor after those years. So you can't expect to become a doctor if you don't fulfill the first few steps. So a vision board will literally represent your goals for that year or for the future, and you normally put it in a place where you study, like your desk, your bedroom, in front of your bed, wherever you like, wherever you're always spending time. So it helps. Each time you see these images, you are more dedicated to work towards your goals. So that's important. When you guys are making a vision board, it's important to know that it has to be unique to you. It should be something meaning, something personal, and something you want to work towards. So it's not just, oh, this looks cute. No, that's just not how it works. So you guys need to keep that in mind as well. And when you look at this dream board, you should not say, okay, I'm looking at this dream board right now. So maybe let's say you're gonna be like, I want to graduate this year. So you should not manifest by telling yourself, I want to graduate this year. You need to manifest as I will graduate, not I want to. So you need to make yourself, you need to push yourself to think that you already are working towards it and you are achieving it. So guys, I've got a few things ready for the vision board and we should get started soon. And while I'm doing it, I'm having my cup of tea. So ignore my constant sipping. So my tea is my lunch because I'm trying to lose weight, and I've tried and I've only lost like 1.5 kilos, which is like what, 3 pounds? Yeah, which is not much. So I'm really trying, and I'm just having tea to suppress my hunger. And yeah, let me show you guys exactly what I have in order for the vision board. So here's what I have. I have scissors obviously to cut stuff out, and ideally you would use magazines where you can cut pictures out that mean something to you. But what I did was I went on Pinterest and I got some images I thought would mean something to me. So I've printed out these images, which I will show you later and tell you what they all mean to me. And I also from DIY managed to get some stickers which had some nice quotes on it, which I thought would be lovely to use just to decorate the board. What I'm using for the board is this frame. I'm gonna take this frame, turn it the other side, and use the blank side as the vision board. So guys, this is what it looks like right now, and yeah, we're gonna get started. So guys, it's time to start cutting these. Guys, just one more thing I want to say. It's important that you cut them really big, because once you know exactly where you're going to place your pictures, then if you need to minimize them so you can make them smaller by cutting them. So before that, you would like to keep them as big as possible, because you can always go small, but you can't increase the size later on. So let's get cutting.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy we go.
So guys, after ages of cutting everything, I have all what I need right here. I ended up using this magazine, cut some things out as well, because I felt like I did not have enough stuff, and I'll tell you guys what they all mean once I'm done. So currently what we have to do is we need to organize them. So I think I'm gonna start with the outsides first and then work my way inside, because I think that's way easier. Yeah, let's get organizing, guys.
Easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
So guys, I was thinking about this. If you guys can see, this is what I think I'm gonna go for, and in between the spaces I'll probably use some of the stickers that I have. I'm gonna start sticking them in now.
Here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying.
So guys, my vision board is ready, and I'm so excited because I think it turned out way better than I expected it to turn out. So who's ready? Who's ready to see my vision board? So I'm gonna explain to you guys what each one means to me. So yeah, once I show you. Are you ready, guys? If you're ready, guys, comment ready down below. Make sure you like this video and also comment at least one of your goals for this year. Alright guys, here we go. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Alright, so I'm gonna explain to you what each one of them means, and these were the stickers that I actually bought, so kind of use them. Let me explain to you now exactly what each one means. So guys, this is my final product. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments down below. So let me explain to you what each one means. So guys, this, it says Happy New Year 2020. So this signifies the year, what my goals are for this year. Let's start at the end. So consistency is the key to success. So I don't really post that much on YouTube, and I'm not consistent with my YouTube videos. I at least want to post at least once a week. Sometimes I do, but sometimes I don't. So that's one of the most important things I want to keep in mind. This is for eating healthy. This signifies that I need to eat healthy. This actually is, you can't have $1 million goal with a $1 work ethic. So if you're not gonna put the effort in, you're not gonna get. You only get what you put the effort in for. Well, you put a little effort, what you're gonna gain out of that is something small. The more effort you put, the more you're gonna gain from it. Alright, so time is precious, waste it wisely. That's a sticker. Think happy, be happy sticker here as well. And this signifies this guy with the girl and the umbrella, it signifies helping someone. So with my YouTube channel, what I want to do is at least help one person, whether it's how to study, how to get into medical school, maybe put a smile on someone's face, just something tiny. Just if it impacts that person one bit, then that's going to be literally everything to me. And right here is UK and Ireland, if you can see. This signifies getting a job in the UK or Ireland soon, hopefully in 2021. And this Instagram, currently I have 1,700 followers, I think, on Instagram, and I want to grow my Instagram to 5k. So I pasted a 5k sticker, if you guys can see. Yeah. And again, this signifies me with my stethoscope. It's getting a job this year, hopefully, and being able to finally work as a doctor and start my life. So Catherine McBroom, you made it to my vision board. So in this 1212 Gateway with Catherine McBroom from the Ace family, 1212 Gateway is actually her skincare line that she recently started. So what this means for me is I would like to take care of my skin, I would like to take care of myself, and that's what this means. And here, this means family, more bonding time with my family. I haven't seen my family in over a year and a half, so I won't be seeing them until February, I think, or the end of February. This signifies for me is finding peace, finding calmness, trying not to worry so much, to like, I don't know how to explain it to you guys. I feel like I constantly worry all the time, or I always have things going on in my mind. I just want to have peace. So this signifies peace. So in the last year, I have actually been working on myself, and this is trying to feel better about myself. And here it says I'm manifesting my dream life, which means I'm trying to bring everything into life, everything I want. I'm putting effort into everything I want to have the life I want. If you don't put the effort, you're not gonna get what you want. And here is another thing, a squirrel reaching for the stars. So it continue to do what you want to do and you'll get where you are. This again is my YouTube channel. So currently I'm at 1.31k subscribers, if you guys can see. Subscribers, which is 1,300 subscribers. So I want to end up getting 5k subscribers by the end of the year. This signifies the fact that I want to read more books, because I used to read a lot of books. And now, since med school started, I literally barely touch any book apart from medical school books or something to do with medicine, you know. It says faith over fear, and as I said, I'm always anxious, always worrying about things. More about like faith, have the faith and let go of the fear. So faith over fear. So have the faith that things are gonna work out, everything's gonna be okay, and not to worry as much. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you really like my vision board, and if you guys do a vision board, make sure you put it on your story on Instagram and tag me so I can share your vision board with others. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and join the family, and make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye. So it's a